audience look nice.
The audience look nice. You're just up your street, Craigie. What can I say? Hello, ladies.
Hi, what's up?
Fabulous.
This is Miss Curvy Jamaica.
Miss Curvy Jamaica, the conference. Yes.
Today.
Who's going to be victorious? I wonder.
I could see what your smiles on, man.
Right,
I'm beautiful.
I look good. Welcome to Daytime Live. Happy Easter, everybody. I know Easter gone now, but still we weren't here. So happy Easter. How was it going? You guys had a good time? Craigie, tell me, how was your Easter?
My Easter was restful this time.
So you rest, you didn't work?
I rest, well, I'm always working.
That's
Anybody
right.
that know me, my brain is always going, always practicing, always training, always working.
I was going to ask you, how did the piano go? Have you mastered that little key change, the little slide?
Yeah,
I don't know what I'm talking about, by the way.
I'm getting good.
You getting?
I'm getting good. I'm proud of myself.
Nice, proud of you too. Yeah. So you're never too old to learn, right?
No, never. No, I never stop learning.
Love it. So guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter, which is TVJ_Daytime Live. You can also follow us on Facebook, which is just TVJ Daytime Live, no underscore, TVJ Daytime Live on Facebook. Right.
And remember, if you want to be a part of our studio audience, log on to televisionjamaica.com and get listed.
That's right. You can call us as well. What's the number, Craig? Remember the number?
926-1100.
That's 926-1100. And guys, also you can catch a back episode via onespotmedia.com. That's onespotmedia.com. Okay. So let's get buzzing. All right. So so Winnie Mandela, the ex-wife of the late South African anti-apartheid icon Nelson Mandela, has died at the age of 81. Now, a veteran herself of the anti-apartheid struggle, Winnie Mandela died on Monday afternoon. Her personal assistant said she died after a long illness for which she has been in and out of hospital since the start of the year. No, Victor Dlamini, a family spokesperson said actually in a statement that was released on Monday, she succumbed peacefully in the early hours of Monday afternoon, surrounded by her family, friends, and loved ones.
Well, if there is ever a good way to go, I would think that that's the best way.
That's the best way.
Yeah, peacefully surrounded by your family and friends, that's... Yeah. I mean, what more can you ask for? And
so what's your feelings on Winnie Mandela, though? What's your thoughts?
Come on, man. Well, how do you explain? Like, Winnie Mandela is the epitome of strong femininity.
Strong black woman, yes.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, like, when you hear about people like Winnie passing, it's difficult to mention it in the same sentence as death, because their legacy will live forever. Yeah, I'm sure that my grandchildren and their grandchildren will be hearing about the legacy. That
especially yours, because you educate your kids well. I'm just saying.
I speak to them.
For me, I love Winnie, and for me, I love when somebody asks, because if you guys know the story of Winnie Mandela, which I do not quite well, but well enough, she has gotten into her fair share of questionable things. But I love that they interviewed her and they asked her, do you regret anything? And she's like, no, I don't regret anything. And I would do everything again, the good things, the bad things, because, she knows what she stands for, what she believes in. Yeah. So I'm a fan of Winnie Mandela.
That's awesome, man.
I was going to do some South African stuff, but I might embarrass myself, so I'm not going to do it.
Sleep well, Winnie.
Yeah, I just don't feel like it's a loss. I feel like it's just a reminder and a celebration of how awesome she is, as we do with Nelson Mandela as well. Like, we remember her as well with fond memories. So, and I saw her in Jamaica too. I met her when she came to Jamaica. Do you guys remember that? How many years ago? Do you remember? How big? What do you remember? Only too young. Anywho, I remember when I was a little girl and Mommy went to the stadium to meet Winnie Mandela, Nelson Mandela. You guys don't remember that?
I didn't meet them, though.
Now vote for none of them. All right.
All right, we're gonna lighten the topic.
Yes, go on. So this is Craig's favorite story, by the way.
It is not. It appears that news sources have come forward with further confirmation about who bit Beyonce in her face.
He loves it. He loves it.
So multiple sources confirmed to Page 6 that the face-chomping culprit was indeed actress Sanaa Lathan. Even though she strongly denies that she bit Beyonce, numerous people have said that she did.
Yes.
Right. So the Love and basketball star Lathan had been talking to Jay-Z at the Youth VIP backstage
party
after his gig in Los Angeles last December. But when Bey stepped in, Lathan playfully bit her on the chin, fellow actress Tiffany Haddish, she started off the rant about the wild biting, the wild biting debate earlier last week, describing the scene to GQ. She says that there was this actress that's just like doing the mostest. So she bit Beyonce in the face, and after alleged friends of Tiffany identified Sanaa Lathan as the bee on drugs, but you can't call the big woman
The
that,
bee on drugs.
I
Maybe
wonder
she
what
be
a
the
bee
big
that
woman on
stand for.
drugs.
The big woman on drugs.
big
That
one-
must
yeah,
be.
yeah,
Man.
yeah.
I love Sanaa Lathan.
I
You
love her
can't deal with
too.
her. So,
Talk
but-
about black don't crack.
But
Hello.
they've confirmed that this actress was actually the person that bit Beyonce on the chin. I don't know, like, who cares? like, hey, you know, never have known such a get bite.
He didn't even know anything about the story. So I was like, I know, I'm on Instagram. He's on Instagram
about who
too.
bite Beyonce.
But yeah, apparently, from what I understand, that it's not that. The way that Tiffany Haddish made it sound was like there was some kind of interaction that went down.
Like it's
that
a Mike Tyson bite.
Like it's a proper thing, you know, like,
Like
she's
it's a
like,
bite off chin thing, bite off
yeah,
ear
like the
thing.
ears drop off and everything. No, but it wasn't that. Apparently, it was just a playful thing. They were messing around. They're friends, as much as you can be friends.
That's kinda
you know?
close.
And they were just kind of hanging out.
You have
having a
friends
little
that
playful-
bite you in the face?
Well, I don't really have friends that bite, generally.
Hey.
That's anywho,
What do we
daytime
have?
live, yes.
Easter just got away.
You said, what did I say? So, just want to say, on another strong note,
Yeah.
congratulations are in order for Team Jamaica, who apparently performed really well, not
Yeah,
apparently,
man.
but
Yeah,
at the
man, them-
2018
man.
Caribbean Games
Star
held in the
business.
Bahamas. Now, yes, hello. We, Jamaica, land of wood and water, liquor but with tallow, we've managed to secure gold medals both in the under 17 girls 4x4 and the under 17 boys 4x4.
4x1.
4x1, I'm sorry. To the end of the day, last Sunday.
Yeah.
Right?
So-
So we've managed to sweep, I think, 26 gold, 17 silver, and 6 bronze medals in total, which
Star
brings
business,
us
man.
to 49 medals leading into Monday.
I love them numbers.
Congratulations.
Them figures there. Congratulations. Yeah, hand to Team Jamaica. Big up to Team
Big
Jamaica.
up yourself. You guys don't seem so enthusiastic, you know.
And them
Congratulations,
medal
Team
number them I
Jamaica.
like here.
That's
Yeah.
right.
I like that.
That's right.
I like that.
They're
So-
amazing, though.
Huh?
They're amazing.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
They're not Jamaica, man. A Team Jamaica, that you know.
You say it's just Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I
man,
love
from
them.
we saw
Things. I know, but
champs.
you have to get the props still. I mean, we're proud
Yeah.
of them, so we have to make sure that they know it. But at
Yeah,
the
they
same
do.
time, we have to understand that
That is
greatness
Jamaica.
in our team. Yeah.
Ting turn up long time.
Yeah. We've been influencing the world for a long
For a
time.
long time. I hear you. So what's going on in Birmingham? Tell me.
No, so Spice going with some things at McDonald's.
Guys, what you up to now? What you do?
So the queen of stage, which some people call her, she's a queen of dancehall for me still right now,
Nice,
for
nice.
sure. But the queen of stage, Spice, she decided to give some trouble in a McDonald's still. We have the video clip, so we're going to watch that. Let's see this clip.
Tough crackers. Ask me if you know tough crackers. Excuse me, sir. Do you have tough crackers? Sorry? Tough crackers. Yeah. Crackers you must get, like biscuit. What are crackers?
But you see how Spice
Yo, one
stay
of them should have
bad.
grown the back with a bag.
We can find a bag, one of the black one in there
man.
should be like, yeah,
Mash
you mean,
her up.
oh, you mean Excelsior, see there? But yes, she went into McDonald's and was asking people them for not even crackers, you know.
Tough crackers.
Not even a biscuit, but yeah, tough crackers.
Yeah, man.
So I love it. I
No,
love
man,
it.
I them
I
things
love
for
it.
go on, man. I like the fact that Spice can still have fun and hold her vibes, you
Yeah.
know, when she touch the road. I mean, because she's been, you know, the epicenter of a lot of attention.
Yes.
Right? Both positive and,
And
negative.
negative,
People
yeah.
throw all kind of things. But I mean, she's in the spotlight. You expect these things in the spotlight.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it shows her maturity when she can shoulder them and still hold her
Right.
vibes out in public
Right.
and things.
It's true.
I think they're cool, man. I think they're
It's
cool.
true. I like her. I'm a big fan of Spice. I love
Yeah,
her
man.
artistic voice.
A star,
I just
man.
like, yeah, she's
Oh,
good.
yeah, man.
She's good. So I believe it's that time
Yeah,
again.
let me check
We need to have a
Facebook.
little sound.
A little
for
drum
this.
roll.
A little
And now.
daytime shout out, everybody. I believe Craigie have some daytime shout out for us. Who you got? Who you got?
Anika Morgan says, send happy belated birthday greetings to my little sister Avadine. Her birthday was yesterday. Big up to Avadine.
Big up Avadine.
Happy belated birthday.
Yes, and at Dawn Rose Blake. Hi, Dawn Rose. How you doing? Said, shout out to my kids, Shanique, Latoya, Carrie Ann, Samantha, Tafarim, and my grandchildren, Sedania and Saviola.
Mad.
Nice. You've done very well for yourself there, Dawn Roseblade. Big up yourself. Yes, yes.
So
good job.
Tanisha Williams says, shout out and happy birthday, TJ. Big up to Damario, Damali, and Daddy Damien and Mommy Tanisha. So she big up herself in the thing neatly. You know?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. But this is my favorite big up though. John Howard, how are you? You well? Having a good evening? Good afternoon, yes? John Howard said, big up yourself, Daytime Live, and the entire crew.
Ray, big up.
You. Yes.
So hold on, I have one more from Yenshi Morgan. I don't know if I'm going to get the expression right on this, you know. She said, big up my nice clean self. And big up clean heart people. Big up my nice clean integrity. And big up my ambition. Slay by Shay. Say that. Slay by Shay.
Slay by Shay.
Yeah, and big up your integrity and big up your nice clean self.
Your nice clean self. Your nice clean ambition. Big up this. I'm going to do that next time. I like it. My nice clean ambition. Now, Lennox Sterling said, shout it out loud and clear to all police officers in South Trelawney.
Mad.
Thanking them for making this area safe. Hashtag crime free.
Wicked.
Big up
like
yourself,
that.
South Trelawney police officers.
GCF,
and I have one
big up on
more.
yourself.
Shauna Brown said, happy birthday to my mom, Margaret Holness, who is celebrating her 80th birthday today from myself and her. You know what it cut off another text.
Yeah, man, 80 and strong. We love that, man.
Yeah,
happy birthday.
Nice.
Happy
Live long
birthday
and
for
strong
you.
and prosper and everything.
All right. So
All right.
we'll be back
We'll be
soon.
back.
So make sure to stay tuned and think you can go for the popcorn and think Bling Dog is coming up next.
Right,
So, you know,
cup
so
of
beer
tea,
niceness
cup of
and beer
coffee.
vibes.
Big up yourself after the break. See you later.
Yeah, the popcorn. Go for my bonnet.